Scene 1. The Hook, Jungle Mystery. Rain falls through thick jungle leaves. A narrow path opens between tall trees. The camera pushes forward through fog and vines. A dark shape rests in the mud. Boys, have you ever seen the jungle hide a secret like this? Today, and we're about to wake one up. Scene 2. First glimpse. A flashlight beam cuts through mist, revealing the iconic Rolls Royce grille, half buried in thick brown mud and leaves. Voice. Even the wild couldn't erase what this symbol stands for. Scene 3. Condition reveal. Mud close-ups. Close-ups of wheels stuck deep in wet soil, branches wrapped around mirrors, headlights filled with dirt, and insects crawling across the hood. Poisonous time didn't stop it. The jungle tried to claim it. Scene 4. The discovery team. The crew stands silently around the car, rain dripping from helmets and jackets, eyes locked on the muddy silhouette. Boys, this wasn't just a find, this was a rescue. Scene 5. Clearing the path. Machetes cut vines, hands pull branches away. Mud splashes as the crew opens a path around the Rolls Royce. Before we move a legend, and we have to free it. Scene 6. Attaching the winch, thick cables are wrapped around the chassis. A winch tightens. The mud begins to crack and shift. Every pull tweet brings history closer to the surface. Scene 7. Rising from the mud. The Rolls Royce slowly lifts as wet soil slides off its body. The spirit of ecstasy emerges, dripping with mud and rain. Voice one from the earth went back into the world. Scene 8. Jungle exit. The car is dragged along a muddy trail. Trees blur past as the crew guides it toward daylight. Voice. The wild lets go, but it never forgets. Scene 9. First inspection. Under a temporary canopy, the hood opens. Mud and water drip from the engine bay. Rusted parts and tangled wires are revealed. Boys, every scar tells a story of survival. Scene 10. Deep wash station. High-pressure water blasts away thick layers of dirt. Foam covers the body. Original paint begins to shine through. Voice. The jungle left its mark, now we erase it. Scene 11. Workshop arrival. Massive doors open at a modern restoration garage. Bright lights turn on as the Rolls Royce rolls inside. Voice. From the wild to a place of precision. Scene 12. Engine rebuild. The engine is lifted out. Mechanics clean, replace and rebuild parts piece by piece. Fresh metal gleams. Voice. A heart buried in mud, reborn by hands. Scene 13. Interior resurrection. Seats are dried and reupholstered. Wooden panels are restored. Chrome trim is polished. Voice. Luxury doesn't fade, it waits. Scene 14. Paint and perfection. Fresh paint flows across the body. Buffing wheels turn it into a mirror under studio lights. Voice. From dirt-covered to destiny. Scene 15. Power-up moment. The key turns. The engine coughs, then purrs smoothly. Headlights glow in the dark workshop. That sound, it is a legend breathing again. Scene 16. First drive. The Rolls Royce glides down a clean road at sunrise. Sunlight reflects off the polished hood. Voice. From mud to majesty. Scene 17. Crowd reaction. People stop and stare. Phones rise. Children point as the car passes. Voice. Once forgotten by the world, now remembered by everyone. Scene 18. Aerial road shot. Drone footage follows the Rolls Royce along a winding road through green hills. Voice. Royalty doesn't rush, it arrives. Scene 19. Reflection moment. The car parks near a river. The polished body reflects the sky and trees. The crew stands quietly behind it. Voice. The jungle gave it back. The road will carry its story. Scene 20. Tease for next legend. Cinematic cuts of covered vehicles in darkness. Headlights flicker on one by one. Text fades in. Next episode, a legend's lost in time. Voice. If the wild can hide a king, imagine what's still waiting to be found.